In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Shopify theme language and make your store accessible to a broader audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Start from your Shopify homepage. Look at the bottom left and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all customization options for your store. Next, click on Languages. Here you will see your current language, which is usually English. To switch to a new language, click Add a language. Scroll through the list and select your desired language, for example, German. Then click Next. At the confirmation stage, click Done. This adds your new language to your store. But we're not finished yet. To activate it on your theme, click the three dots next to your new language and select Publish. Confirm by clicking Publish again if prompted. And that's it! Your Shopify store is now displayed in your chosen language, making it accessible to more customers and helping you expand your market reach.